Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today it's weekend. Yes, great weekend. And in today's newspaper on Saturday, yes, it's Saturday 12th, December the 12th, 12, 12, 20. Wow, I like this. This Sudoku is the only Sudoku, regular Sudoku we have in this daily newspaper. Yes, there's also another Sudoku, a big one. Yes, quintuplet. This one I will not solve this anymore. So only the regular Sudoku I will do in this one will be a number, yes, number 2003. Yes, there's also an additional in this newspaper with extra Sudokus, 8 I believe. I will solve them later. So first priority is to solve this one. This Sudoku has, let me see, 27 printed digits. Yes. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional with extra Sudokus, this will be a 1 star Sudoku. Yes. All right. 27, 1 star. 26, 2 stars. 25, 3 stars. 24 or 25. Here lately the publisher has also 4 stars with 25 printed digits. Very strange, because in the past always the 24 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan this puzzle. All right. So let's get started. We see here the first column, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no ones in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 6, 7, and 8. 5 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then in the middle column we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8s in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. Well, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for an 8 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers now in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. We see there 1. No 1 there. Only 1 place left for the 1. Should be there. Then. How about... yeah. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 259, 259, 259. We see here 2 and a 9. So in this box cannot be a 2 or 9. So 1 digit left should be a 5. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. And now We have a 9 in this column, a 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so no row between. The only place for a 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so no row between. Only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit and number 1. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see there an 8. No 8 in those two boxes. One box left for the 8. Should be there. The 1 and the 7 are missing now. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between, only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And then 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 2 should be there. One box left in the third row for the number 3. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for a 3 should be there. Then the 8 in the last column, the 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for an 8 should be there. Alright. And now 3, 4, 6. I need a 6. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. And 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 36. Alright. How about okay, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We see there 1, no 1 in these two boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. One box left for the 1 should be there. Then 4, 5, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those two boxes. One box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. Alright. In this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. It's a 7 in this column. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 there. Only one box left for the 7 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing and a 6 is missing. We see there 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. These two boxes are left for the numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 and 6. That means the other two boxes in this column should be the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So on the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then one box left in the first row for the number 3. Two boxes left, 7 and a 1. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Also here a 1, 6, 3. 2 and a 6. How about 5, 5? Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 here, so in this box cannot be 5 or 7. The 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One box left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for a 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, only two places for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then these two boxes in this big big square, I believe those were the 7 and the 1. 7 and the 1, we have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3, 987. How about the 6 now? Yes, in this column, the second column, two boxes are left. The second column, the 6 and the 9. Nope, 9 we have. 6 and the 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in that column the only place for a 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle row. The middle row, those numbers are the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6 We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 2. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, I like this Sudoku. Medium Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus in the future to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.